So, hi Srishti.
Hi, Parul.
Welcome to our podcast channel and thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah.
It's a pleasure.
So, have you done this before?
No, this is the first time, and I am glad it is with you
Yes, of course.
and really looking forward to it.
Yeah. So, Srishti, before we start, let's talk about how we've known each other, not just professionally.
Yeah.
We've known each other for like a good 10 years plus.
Yes.
And I know you put up a front of being a very good influencer, makeup artist, now a jewelry brand owner.
Yeah.
But you are a very, very down to earth and a humble person. And I've
Thank
seen
you.
you really grow
Yeah.
from Komal to Srishti.
Yes.
So, yeah, I mean, tell me about how did you even think कि चलो इस field में चलते हैं?
So it started when my son was, I think, 5 months old, and it's almost going to be 6 years now.
Yeah.
I started with being like a mom influencer because the kind of issues and problems that I faced initially as a mother, मुझे लगा था कि मुझे बहुत नॉलेज नहीं थी और बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं थी
Right.
तो जो लैक कर रहा था आई वांटेड द न्यू मॉम्स टू नॉट फेस द सेम इश्यूज एंड इट बिगैन विद मॉम इन्फ्लुएंसर थिंग बट देन मुझे बहुत सारे फैशन ब्रांड्स एंड क्लोथिंग ब्रांड्स अ लॉट ऑफ अदर ब्रांड्स स्टार्टेड अप्रोचिंग
Right.
thankfully yes and that's how it began and now I call myself a fashion mom influencer.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, and I remember when you got married also, there was a phase where you were all by yourself.
Yeah.
And there was this, I remember, like I remember जब तेरी शादी हुई थी, ऐसा कुछ हुआ था where I think your husband wasn't in town for a while.
Yeah, so mine is a love marriage
Right.
and
And very nice guy.
yes.
Like, shout out to him being
Thank
so
you.
supportive with everything that you
yeah,
do.
he
So,
really is and मुझे संभाल रखा है वो बहुत बड़ी बात है.
That's also true. I think that works for both of us.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So yes, he wasn't. So we were in 10 years long distance relationship. He was studying in Pune. I was in Jaipur, and तो काफ़ी लंबा टाइम था. Finally, families agreed, and we got married. After 4 years of our wedding, he left. He was studying in London, so he went there to complete his barrister course.
Yeah.
And so I was here for 8 months. I was only staying with my in-laws.
Yeah.
But initially, थोड़ा difficult था. But later on, I realized that this is actually जो bond आज मैं share करती हूँ उन लोगों के साथ
With your in-laws.
with my in-laws. That was the reason how I could, create that bond.
That's true.
And that relationship with them. And I'm so thankful that they are so supportive, especially my mother-in-law. आज अगर मैं यहाँ पर हूँ तो she's the one who's watching the kids at home.
Of course.
So yes, I think more than me, she's the one. She's the reason why am I here today.
That's true. That's true. And I remember because I knew you that time. I had heard of you. We had common friends. And I remember it was like a shock कि अच्छा 4 दिन ही हुए हैं शादी के and the husband is not there.
Yeah.
अरे मतलब कैसे? How is she doing this? We were young also.
Yeah.
It was new, the
Yeah.
concept of getting a love marriage.
Yeah,
and
the whole
from
charm.
Yeah. And 4 दिन में ही चला गया.
हाँ.
आएगा वापस. It was like there was such talks. I remember.
I think a lot of people did say a lot of things.
I'm sure. Especially the type of community you belong from.
Yes.
I'm sure you guys have a certain like norms of doing things.
Yes,
So
yes.
yeah, it must have been hard.
It was, but like I said, हम लोग का initially से ही like from the very beginning हम लोग का long distance ही था. तो and I was prepared for it, and like I said, and by God's grace, my family is also from Jaipur.
Yes.
So it was all the more easier for me.
Yeah.
Not that I was staying with them most of the time, but yes, I was with my in-laws, but on and off चलता था.
Chalta tha, right.
Yeah.
But coming back to your family,
Yeah.
you come from a well-known family of Jaipur.
Yeah.
You are very much aware about people knowing your family, your
Yeah.
brother.
Yeah.
So, how does that feel? Like, of course, it's a blessing in disguise,
Yeah.
100%. You're born to such a family. But honestly, like, from you, I want to know, how do you feel about it?
Like you said, it's a blessing, of course. I've seen my brother grow into such a well-known, I would call him a personality now
Yeah,
in
also,
Jaipur.
Sutra,
Yeah.
thank you.
Yeah, so yes, a lot of people who know, like me being his sister,
Yeah.
Dushyant's sister.
Yeah.
So वो लोग वैसे introduce करते हैं, oh look, she's Dushyant's sister, and then they tell,
Come to you,
yeah,
huh.
Srishti. And I'm like, no, I'm Srishti first, and then Dushyant's sister.
Of course.
Of course, I will always be his sister first, but जब भगवान ने हमें बनाया है as an individual,
Yeah.
so I would want to create my identity.
Yes.
And so now it feels really good,
Good.
that I have actually reached to a certain
Yeah.
place where people know me as an individual.
Right.
And there are times when we both are not aware कि हम same event में जा रहे हैं, and we bump into the events.
Yeah.
And that's when oh, हमें पता ही नहीं था कि she was here
Yeah.
and she was coming.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think वो blessing है to be his sister and to be born in a family like
Yours,
mine.
yeah.
But yes, I had always been striving and working towards what I have achieved today.
No,
And I have
100%.
I think a long way to go.
Oh,
This
yes.
is just a beginning.
100%. Now that
Yes.
you've done our podcast,
Yeah.
I'm sure you'll do even better. But nahi,
Thank you, Paru.
no, but what you're saying is completely right. I resonate with it because, again, I also come from such a family where jewelry background hai, hospitality background hai. And I remember when I shifted from Hong Kong and I wanted to start something, it was very easy कि मैं बोलूँ कि अच्छा चल, I'll get into something related to hotels,
Yeah.
or I'll get into something related to jewelry.
Yeah.
But शायद subconsciously I was like कि मैं क्यों करूँ ऐसा जो घर वाले कर
जो
रहे हैं,
कर ही रहे हैं।
like
Yeah.
मैं क्यों करूँ,
वो तो
मेरे को
already
कुछ
कर ही रहे हैं।
हाँ,
हाँ।
मतलब I was like कि मेरे को खुद का कुछ करना है,
Yeah.
like maybe it wasn't thinking right, was too young or something, but
Yeah.
I was like, and abhi bhi, of course a lot of people will know me as Patrick's sister or like my father or my
Yeah.
mother's daughter. It's definitely amazing. It's
Yeah.
really nice to know, but yeah, it also feels nice when people go up to him or go up to my parents
Yeah.
and say ki okay,
हाँ.
अच्छा काम कर रही है,
हाँ.
or something like this. It just
Yeah,
feels nice.
I'm sure, yes.
Yeah.
अब जैसे so my father is not on any of the social media.
Yeah.
But I send him my reels, my videos, and he just feels so proud about it. And so does my brother and all my family. To be honest, मेरी family में मुझे सब freedom नहीं थी.
That's what I was just
Yeah.
getting to. मतलब जब तूने start किया होगा ये reels and all
Yeah.
बनाना,
Yeah.
was it like a little like not, I don't want to, but was it like a little shock to your brother or to your family or to your husband, like why are you doing this?
So no, because if you would see my reels and the content that I create, मैं बहुत हद तक एक level तक ही
Yes.
उसको ले जाती हूँ.
Right.
Like the sense of dressing that I'm
100%.
into.
I think you've always been very vocal about
yes,
it.
Yes. So जब brands reach out करते, so I tell them that see, I am not going to wear short dresses.
Yes.
I'm not going to wear even sleeveless.
Right.
So I'm very open about it. तो जब मैं वो सब एक दायरे में रह के कर रही हूँ, because my upbringing had always been like so, तो कभी किसी को कोई problem नहीं थी. Initially maybe लगा होगा my
हाँ.
in-laws, I'm sure, but now when they see me being at this level, I'm sure they're happy about it.
Yeah.
क्योंकि जब मेकअप का मैंने शुरू किया था,
Right.
so there are times when I'm leaving house early morning, coming back late night.
Late night, yeah.
But I make sure that I'm home not like बहुत late, but होता है because कई बार venues दूर
Of
होते
course,
हैं
of
कुछ.
course.
But again, so my husband is home taking care of the kids, and so that's how it all. मतलब उन लोगों के support से I'm
Of
doing
course,
it.
yeah. But do you feel like sometimes you have tapped a lot of places and you feel like कि शायद if I stick to one, I would do better or something like that? Because I mean, you have vast number of things going
Yeah.
on. and it's funny how I'm just like, अच्छा सृष्टि का ये भी पेज है, अच्छा चलो ये भी फॉलो करना है, अच्छा चलो ये भी करना है, तो I'm just like
सब फॉलो कर रही है ना?
हाँ मैं सब फॉलो कर रही हूँ, मैं सब फॉलो कर रही हूँ, and जितने भी तेरे फील्ड है उस सब में I make sure,
Yeah.
actually you know that, like if I
Yeah.
need someone for makeup, my first call is to you.
Yeah,
I need someone
definitely.
for shoots, my first call is for you. I need someone
हाँ,
for
so guys,
podcast.
जब कुछ भी नहीं होता, कोई अवेलेबल नहीं होता, मुझे आधी रात को भी कॉल करके
Yes.
फिर से सृष्टि लास्ट मिनट है प्लीज, बट तू कल आ जाना प्लीज. सो
Yeah.
आई एम लाइक ठीक है, मतलब फॉर पारुल इट इज ऑलवेज अ यस.
Yes.
एंड इवन यू आर डूइंग ग्रेट.
Yeah.
And we've
We
seen,
try. Yeah.
not just you have seen me, but I think both of us, we've seen each other grow.
Yes, we have. We
And
definitely
I'm
have.
really proud of you.
Yeah, so am I. Matlab, it's really nice to see two individuals
Yeah.
doing well and supporting each other. मैं ये बोलना तू humble है. Like
हाँ.
I have never felt embarrassed about calling you just one night
पता
prior.
मना नहीं करेगी.
कि सृष्टि please कर दे.
Yeah,
So
anytime.
took me a while to even start acknowledging you as Srishti.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was really nice. And what you're doing is great. Honestly, I
Thank
think
you.
influencing is something which is definitely every other house now,
Yeah.
every other household now.
Yeah.
But I guess to be stuck to the few norms that you have,
Yeah.
few policies that you have is
Yeah.
great, because
Yeah.
I think when you see the money coming,
Yeah.
sometimes
हाँ.
people can just
Easy. हाँ.
blur the lines.
Yeah.
But you haven't, so
Yeah.
that's great. That's really nice.
Thank
So,
you. Yes, I think I'm very selective.
Yeah.
Even with the brands and a lot of things. So, मेरी priority is not influencing, I would say, or any other thing, but the family and my kids.
100%, yeah.
अगर मैं कहीं जा रही हूँ for a shoot or anything, but if the kid, one of my kids or anybody needs me at home, then मैं वहाँ पे ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है मेरा टाइम.
No, I know.
So I think वो मेरी priority है.
Yeah.
No
I
matter
think,
what.
Yes,
Yeah.
I think I've dealt with this when you've
Yeah.
told me कि
Yeah.
नहीं.
हाँ.
ऑनलाइन क्लास है, उसके बाद बात करते हैं.
शूट के बीच में से बेटी को पिक करने गई थी.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Yes.
So you've been very good with that. But in so many fields, which one is your favorite? Like makeup. Let's tell the world what all you're doing. So you have makeup going on. You're a fashion mom influencer.
Yes.
You're that. You are owning a brand now,
Yeah.
Militon.
Yes.
Anything else that I'm missing out?
A home furnishing. I'm a co-founder of a home
Furnishing brand, Lil Paisley.
Yes.
So
yes.
these are your current
Yeah.
things. So which one's your favorite?
I would say makeup. I enjoy the most
Yeah.
because बचपन से ही मतलब मुझे शौक था. So my family, मेरी बुआ वगैरह जब भी आती थी, they would get me some sort of little makeup stuff and you know. So तब से ही बहुत शौक था. But वो पैशन कब प्रोफेशन में चेंज हुआ? I wasn't actually I didn't think about it.
Okay.
But the day I realized I wanted to give it a shot, and thankfully it's going really well. So makeup is one of the things that I really enjoy because I don't know if I've mentioned ever anywhere, but I am a master's in paintings.
Oh.
So I've studied art.
Oh.
But बहुत समय तक I was pursuing it on orders. But
Like fine arts.
yeah. Visual arts.
Oh, that's nice.
Paintings. I used to do portraits. A lot
Oh.
of things. Yes. But
So what you've studied, वो तो गया down the drain.
no, but now my canvas is logo का face.
Face. Yeah. Okay.
So I take it that way. So I've still kept it alive.
Yeah.
That I enjoy the most. Also, I think mom influencing and fashion influencing because when I'm shooting, I am myself. I'm not trying to be, you know,
Yeah, you're not
someone
trying-
else
True,
or
true.
yeah. और जब बच्चों के साथ होते हैं कुछ brand collaborations तो even more
better,
fun.
yeah.
So I think सभी का कुछ ना कुछ. And then now fashion jewelry because I used to wear a lot of jewelry and style
Yeah.
a lot of it.
Yeah.
So जब मैं वो करती थी, people used to appreciate a lot.
Yes.
So I thought कि जब मुझे इतना उसका अच्छा response मिल रहा है and people are actually coming to me and
Yeah.
appreciating all of it, then
You have a knack
why
for it,
not?
huh?
Yeah, like why not create it for people around?
True.
So yes, I'm getting a good response.
Yeah, I
as
think
of now. Yes.
makes sense. I mean, what all the fields that you're in, definitely,
Yeah.
they all कहीं ना कहीं resonate with the person you
Yeah,
are.
yeah.
It's not something that I think तूने
हाँ,
सिर्फ चालू करने के लिए
हाँ,
किया है.
हाँ.
I'm sure makeup भी you must have tried it on someone and you must have received great response
Yeah,
and it
yeah,
must
yeah.
have made
Yes.
you feel like you can do it.
Yes.
And it's true because like I feel makeup भी एक ऐसी चीज़ है कि for you to like it and for you to be able to
Do it.
deliver it
Yeah,
on somebody
yeah.
else's face
Yes.
is entirely a different story.
हाँ हाँ हाँ. You have to बहुत in depth knowledge, details.
Yeah.
Those minute things, and
Yeah.
to be able to reach to people's expectations
Yeah.
is
A
something
task,
else.
I'm sure.
Yeah,
I'm sure.
yeah.
So if you've managed, and I've seen your work.
Yeah.
You've been doing really well with that.
Yeah.
And same with Lilyton, I think.
Yeah.
You are passionate about it. You are, मतलब, I remember when you had put up at our show.
Yeah.
तब भी तेको ये था कि मैं किसी को बेच रही हूँ तो I'm not just selling the piece.
Yeah.
You're making the person understand
Yeah.
how to do this or
Yes.
like how to wear it
Yeah.
or yeah, I have that necklace from you and I think I'm absolutely not a jewelry person. Like
Yeah.
fashion jewelry
Yeah,
तो मेरे को
you
बिल्कुल ही
told me.
नहीं
हाँ,
समझ
हाँ.
आती. But I've really used that so much after you've told me कि अच्छा ठीक है तू plain outfit पे पहन लेना
Yeah.
ऐसा कर लेना. So yeah, you definitely have a knack for styling.
Yeah. Stylist भी बन सकती हूँ इसमें.
बचा है I think वो एक I think तेरे वो उसमें bio में you need one more.
Yes.
But I think अब now I cannot follow you further. I can't always कि मैं जब refresh करूँ तो तेरा ही एक post आ रहा है.
True.
But yeah. So the name Lilyton, how did you come up with that? It's a story that I love to hear.
Well, बहुत लोग पहले तो ये पूछते हैं कि इसका pronunciation क्या है.
Am I pronouncing it right?
Yeah. It's Lilyton. मेरे लिए तो बहुत इमोशनल सा इसका रीज़न है. So my daughter, she's 4 now. But जब वो बहुत छोटी थी, I think she was around 2.5.
Yeah.
She's always been so fascinated by unicorns, but उसको वो बोलना नहीं आता था unicorn.
Yeah.
So that's when she started calling unicorns Lilyton. So that's how the name came up because I wanted to have something unique and or there's a story behind it, all of that. So
Yeah.
that's how I came up with the name.
It makes sense. जब तू मतलब एकदम ऐसे crazy बड़ी हो जाएगी तब तू किसी और के podcast में जाएगी and then तू बोलेगी मैंने इसलिए ये नाम से तो लोगों के आंखों में आंसू आएंगे. Then people will be
Yeah,
like
I am.
EQ.
Yeah, I am quite able to connect with the name. So
Yeah, no, of course. I mean, makes
Yeah.
sense. I mean, I think Akshay and I also, when we thought about Labels Gone Wild, we were sitting down, we were like, कि नाम सोचते हैं and all that. तब I think we've had like really good wild times as
Yeah.
teenagers. So we knew that we want to give a little quirky name to it.
Yeah.
We knew that we wanted to, yeah, probably something we could connect with. And I
Yeah.
think as soon as we came up with the name Labels Gone Wild, we both were like, कि, yeah, this
yeah.
sounds about right.
Yeah.
This- yeah.
It's very different. I think.
Yeah. ऐसे to the point भी हो गया.
Yeah,
Labels मतलब
yeah,
brands की
yeah,
बात हो रही है
yeah.
यहाँ. And Gone Wild is something which I think,
Making crazy.
yeah, making crazy.
Shopping always does.
Yeah. And with my partner being relatively calm, I
Yeah.
think I definitely make her go wild. So it's pretty okay, yeah.
Yes.
But same goes with you. Like I've seen that Vikram is very calm,
Yeah, he is.
very composed compared to the person you are.
Yes, he is. And मतलब जब मैं लड़ती भी हूँ कभी तो he does not reciprocate at all. मतलब गुस्सा ही नहीं आता है. तो मुझे लगता है कि यार.
फिर ऐसे लगता होगा क्या क्यों हाँ.
Yeah. So no, but he's a very kind-hearted person, and we've actually grown up together,
Yes.
and we've seen each other's struggles. जहाँ पे हम दोनों हैं तो, but we've always been each other's support always.
But like whenever you wanted to start something new or get into something, did you always feel like you should speak to him or get not exactly an approval,
Yeah.
but like, do you think you should discuss with him because you feel like he's going to give you
Yes.
an honest opinion?
Absolutely. I mean,
Right.
with Lilyton also, it is actually, he always, like I said, supported me, and abhi bhi ek ek cheez I discuss with him. I wait for him to be home in the evening so that I can discuss everything that happened
Yeah.
throughout the day, and हर चीज़ के लिए yes I ask him, like you said, not approval, but
Yeah, no.
I want to always keep him informed.
Right.
And he was very keen on the brand, to start this brand. So yeah, I mean, he supports me a lot,
A lot, yeah.
Yes.
And I genuinely think it's good to have a good age gap between couples. You don't think? मतलब जैसे मेरे और शे में है.
हमारे में तो नहीं है.
क्या बात कर रही?
We were classmates.
Oh.
Yeah.
Why do I remember that he's a little older?
No. We were classmates.
Okay. Maybe
Yeah,
maturity
same age.
wise.
हाँ.
Like thinking wise.
Yeah.
Like मेरे और शे में तो अच्छा gap है, and I feel like makes life so much easier.
Yeah.
Because I mean, I really need like a stable person to
Yeah.
keep me calm.
Yeah.
So it's great for me that
He's also very calm.
very calm,
Yeah.
very calm, very composed. I am
Totally opposite.
totally opposite.
Same.
And genuinely I love to be the center
Yeah.
of attention. And he loves to make me the center of attention.
Also because you are the youngest in the
Yes.
family.
Yeah, and
So-
I'm very pampered.
Yeah,
very,
same,
very pampered.
same.
Even pampered with friends.
Yeah.
I'm pampered with friends, I'm pampered with family, I'm pampered with like मेरा field भी ऐसा है
Yeah.
where I have to do a lot of lalla chuppi.
Yeah.
Pretty good with that. That ways I think I'm pretty sorted.
Yeah.
I'm pretty good that ways. But yeah, but like when I see you and Vikram also,
Yeah.
it feels like he is the calm. So that is good. I think important.
I'm the chaos.
You're the chaos. Yes, we attract chaos.
Yes.
Yeah, but I think I genuinely feel if you have that sort of a combination in
Yeah.
life, it gives you a lot of stability.
Yeah.
In a lot of ways.
Yeah.
But how was it for you when you thought about planning for kids? Like, did you ever think कि oh मेरे इसको, because तूने ये सब start किया first kid के बाद ही, right?
Yeah.
So did you ever feel कि second कर रही हूँ तो मेरे थोड़ा pause लग जाएगा, या pause लगा था?
No. So the difference, the age gap is very less. It's just they are just 20 months apart.
Okay.
But I'm glad कि actually मेरा जब properly जब मैंने शुरू किया working, it was after my daughter was born.
Okay.
So Ranvijay, my son, he was 5 months when I started doing it during COVID. But actual जब मैंने शुरू किया, that was after my daughter was born.
Okay.
So I am glad that it all started after kids, because
Yeah.
like you mentioned,
हाँ.
कि वो gap आ जाता है. So now when I see women working,
Yeah.
मतलब जो full-fledgedly they're working, but
Yeah.
now when I see them, I'm like कि जब इनके बच्चे होंगे, so
Yeah.
it is going to
It is going to
take
be
a
difficult.
pause.
100%.
So rather you do everything, you set up autopilot mode पे उसको छोड़ के,
छोड़
and
के.
then you get
Think
into
करो.
yeah
100%.
yeah kids. Or kids, जैसे मैंने बोला कि I am so glad that I started everything after my kids.
Yeah.
And even now I feel कि they need so much of attention now. So that's why बहुत limit कर दिया है मैंने a lot of things.
Okay.
I'm working only in the hours when my kids are at school.
Yeah, but difficult नहीं है ये करना. What if you're like makeup artist for an instance?
Yeah, so those days are a few days when I'm working, even when they are home. But it like I said, my in-laws, they're very supportive. So it
Has the kids ever told you कि मम्मी नहीं आप घर आ जाओ?
yeah, sometimes. But my son, he understands everything. सबसे अच्छा लगता है जब when I'm home makeup से and then they're like mama show us the pictures, आज कैसा makeup किया आपने
Yeah.
and all of that. So I think they understand everything.
Right.
They are also noticing that
Yes.
mama is going out working
She's
hard.
working, हाँ.
So Also, one more thing why I'm working so hard, because I want to see my kids see their mom working.
Yeah, you want to
uh,
like
set
instill
an
that notion
yeah.
कि हाँ पापा भी
हाँ,
काम पे जा रहे हैं, मम्मी भी
हाँ.
काम पे जा रही है, for sure.
Because like I come from a Rajput, typical Rajput family.
Yes.
But I've always seen my father supporting my mother, and उनको मम्मी को पापा ने इतना इंडिपेंडेंट बनाया है.
Oh, even उस time.
हाँ, so मतलब मम्मी के बहुत सारी चीज़ों में मम्मी का क्या व्यू है, क्या है, दैट इज़ गिवन सो मच इम्पोर्टेंस इन माई फैमिली.
That's great.
सो ऐसा नहीं होता कि सारे डिसीजंस पापा के ही
पापा की
होंगे.
हैं, okay.
So we've seen all of that.
You've seen like a proper women empowerment
Yes.
in your
So मम्मी ने वो एग्जाम्पल सेट किया था मेरे लिए. So now I want to set that thing for my kids as well.
Yeah.
So जैसे मेरी डॉटर के लिए I want to set it कि
And
उसको
it does matter. I
Yes.
think when you see तुम्हारी upbringing के वक्त, if you see that your mother is doing something besides the chores
Yes.
that she's assigned
Yes.
to
Yes.
do, I think कहीं ना कहीं you get influenced.
Yes.
Like subconsciously तुम्हें ये realize होता है कि okay, even if you're a woman or even if you're doing something,
Yeah.
मतलब you want to work. You
Yeah.
want to like
Also, I feel it should have a balance. I am somebody who would also cook, who would also do everyday chores,
yeah.
and also would go to work to pick my kids from school,
Right.
drop them, all of that. And also my responsibilities as a daughter-in-law and as a wife
Yeah.
and as a mother,
Yeah.
also a daughter.
Yeah.
So balancing everything is what I try to do.
No,
I'm
of
sure
course.
कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ कमी रह भी जाती
I'm
होगी,
sure, but I honestly, Srishti, I think that's every household, no?
Yeah, yeah.
Like every woman out there right now is in that phase where she is trying to excel at everything,
yeah,
and everybody wants to work
yes.
now.
And I'm not trying to prove myself.
No, I don't.
But
think you're trying
just I'm like कि जब मैं when I'm sleeping at night, I should be sleeping with this thing in
Some
mind कि
satisfaction.
हाँ कि आज का दिन productive था.
Yeah.
I did not waste it.
Yeah.
I gave my time to my kids.
Yeah.
I chit chatted with my mother-in-law. So all of that, I think.
Yeah,
हाँ, तो
makes
वो-
you complete.
Yes.
No, and I think that's also one thing about me that I love to hustle.
Yeah.
मतलब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि ऐसा दिन हो कि मैं सुबह उठ रही हूँ
हाँ.
और मैं इधर भाग रही हूँ, फिर मैं उधर भाग रही हूँ, फिर मैं ये भी कर रही हूँ, मैं वो भी कर रही हूँ, एंड रात को आई एम सो अनॉयड कि मैंने सिर्फ
Crib
भागा
भी-
दौड़ी
crib
करी
भी
है,
करेंगे,
क्रिप भी
लेकिन
करना है,
करेंगे।
हाँ, एंड बट देन रात को व्हेन आई एम स्लीपिंग
Yeah.
आई एम टेलिंग माई सेल्फ कि बहुत थक गई यार पारुल, अब कल थोड़ा रिलैक्स करेंगे, बट
but
जैसे
again,
ही
the
you
same.
just so like even my best friend keeps telling me, like I'll tell Shrey or I'll tell her that oh I'm really tired, आज मेरे को ये भी नहीं मिला, मैंने lunch इतना लेट किया,
हाँ.
they'll just be like you know what Parul, this is
ये
what
तो
you
चले
want,
गए.
like this is what you want.
Yeah.
अगर तू वो नहीं कर रही होती ना
हाँ.
तो समझ में आता है कि you're not
Then,
happy,
yeah.
but this is what you want. And
Yes.
I've had my family telling me so many times,
Yeah.
क्यों
हाँ.
क्यों करना है,
हाँ, हाँ,
मतलब
same.
what is the point,
Yeah.
आराम से चिल कर,
Yeah.
एक चीज कर जो तुझे करनी है,
हाँ.
जरूरी थोड़ी ना हर जगह इतना ज्यादा
You
करेंगे.
can't be राजमा चावल ना.
Yeah, no, I don't want to be Rajma Cha, and I'm from Hong Kong, Shishwan.
Yeah.
No, but genuinely, I feel like I really love to hustle. I love
Yeah,
that bhag dod.
yeah.
And जो कि जयपुर में बहुत कम है यार. I mean, from the
हाँ.
place I come from, Hong Kong
Yeah,
is like so fast. It's the
Yeah.
fast-paced city. मतलब ऐसा लगेगा तू नीचे उतर भी रही है, तो सब भाग रहे हैं.
Yeah.
The walking speed is fast.
Yeah, yeah.
So
I'm sure.
I feel
yes.
वो थोड़ा सा that ounce.
You miss.
I miss it a lot, and वो
Yeah.
मुझे यहाँ मिलता है तो I feel really
हाँ,
nice.
नहीं, I'm sure. Like I said कि at the end of the day we should be like कि day हमारा productive.
हाँ,
था.
थक
मतलब
गए.
किया.
Yeah,
किया मतलब हम खुश हैं.
खुश हैं, हाँ. It's really not always about money, I feel.
Yeah,
You just
yeah,
have to be
yeah.
satisfied.
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely.
No, I think that ways तू तो कर ही रही है, मतलब ऐसे तेरे पास इतने सारे चीजें चल रही हैं.
Yeah.
But on a very honest take on
Yeah.
influencing nowadays, because I'm someone who needs influences for my obviously for our shows
Promotions.
and everything. I feel like, do you think थोड़ा सा trend या demand हल्की सी कम हो गई है compared to that of like a while back?
See, what I feel is हर चीज़ का एक टाइम आता
Yeah.
है ना? तो एक टाइम पे इन्फ्लुएंसिंग वाज, मतलब हर कोई इन्फ्लुएंसिंग कर रहा था, लाइक यू सेड कि हर घर में इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है अब
Yeah.
तो.
Yeah.
बट वो इसलिए भी है बिकॉज which I also like कि when you and Akshi are promoting labels,
Yeah.
you guys are the faces
Yeah.
of labels.
Yeah.
So I quite like it कि आप लोग
हाँ.
अब उसमें आते हो.
Yes. हाँ.
मतलब इन्फ्लुएंसर्स तो हैं, बट आई रियली लाइक कि कैसे ब्रांड्स अब अपने आप को प्रमोट कर रही हैं विद
हाँ,
देयर ओन
own
फेसेस.
faces, yeah, they're giving a
Yes.
face to the name. Yeah.
So like a lot of people Liliton के लिए मुझे बोलते हैं कि oh this is your brand,
Yeah.
we thought you're promoting it.
Yeah.
मतलब किसी और ब्रांड को आप
हाँ,
प्रमोट कर
हाँ.
रहे हो. So I think that's very important, और वो भी एक कारण है कि इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का अपना एक अलग
हाँ.
सेटअप हो गया है अब, बट ऑल्सो नॉर्मल फेसेस आर ऑल्सो कमिंग इन.
Yes, हाँ.
सो वो भी एक कारण हो सकता है, बट ऑल्सो आई फील AI has come.
Yeah.
So
हाँ, just type.
yeah, so everything is getting easier day by day, but I don't feel कि बिल्कुल खत्म हो गया
No,
है.
no, no, बिल्कुल खत्म तो
बिल्कुल
नहीं हुआ है.
तो हाँ, नहीं होना चाहिए.
नहीं
भी.
होना चाहिए. हाँ, बिल्कुल खत्म नहीं. I just feel like maybe like you said कि
Yeah.
supply बहुत बढ़ गई है.
हाँ हाँ. So सभी लोग हो गए हैं, तो
सभी लोग हो
brands are also looking for just, मतलब they are not categorizing it, rather going it mass.
Yeah.
है ना?
And I think हम smart हो गए हैं.
हाँ.
People now know कि bot followers हैं.
हाँ, हाँ.
या फिर
Organic है.
ऑर्गेनिक है.
Yeah.
ये हमें जेन्युइन वो दे देगी.
हाँ.
आई थिंक आई हैव एक्चुअली हैड ब्रांड्स जिनके साथ हम बैठ के डिस्कस किए हैं कि क्या ये वाली इन्फ्लुएंसर हमारा मार्केट टारगेट कर सकती है.
वही. Yeah.
जो पहले ऐसा नहीं था.
नहीं
पहले
था.
ऐसा था कि चलो ठीक है कर लो, चार
बहुत
जनों को.
limited थे
बहुत
ना.
लिमिटेड थे.
हाँ.
हाँ. नाउ आई थिंक पीपल आर स्मार्ट. ब्रांड्स आर स्मार्ट. दे
And in city like जयपुर बहुत बड़ा नहीं है.
हाँ.
So it is easier to उन्हीं लोगों को आप पिक करो जो एक्चुअली आपकी टारगेटेड ऑडियंस को वो लाके दे रहा है.
राइट.
Yeah, so वो जबरदस्ती की भीड़ इकट्ठी करना,
हाँ.
तो आई वुड स्टिल से कि
Pointless है, हाँ.
brands should also be selective.
Yes.
Which is like you said a smarter approach.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
would say. Yeah.
बट ऑल्सो आई फील थोड़ा सा यहाँ के इन्फ्लुएंसर्स में ऐसा नहीं लगता कि कुछ भी कर रहे हैं. मतलब लाइक नो, आई मीन सीरियसली ऐसा, मतलब
That's true. I agree. But again, each to its own.
each to its own definitely.
Yeah, so,
but I feel अगर थोड़ा सा ऐसा होना कि ये वाला इन्फ्लुएंसर ये ही
इसी
करती
के
है,
लिए, हाँ.
तो इट
इनिशियली वो वैसा ही होता था ना.
हाँ, वैसा ही
व्हाट इज
होता
योर
था.
नीश.
या
सो अभी भी जैसे हम लोग के पास वो फॉर्म्स आते हैं फ्रॉम एजेंसीज एंड ऑल, सो यू हैव टू, लाइक देयर इज ओनली वन ऑप्शन कि व्हाट इज योर नीश, किसमें
अच्छा.
आप, हाँ,
What's your,
yes,
main
like
forte?
fashion, makeup, beauty, lifestyle, all of
तो
that.
फिर तू क्या चूज करती है? तो फिर तू फैशन चूज करती है, मेकअप चूज करती है, ज्वेलरी ब्रांड, व्हाट डू यू चूज?
I choose fashion.
Yeah.
Yes. Also depends because I'm also doing a lot of makeup videos and all.
Yeah.
But I focus on fashion brands more. Yeah.
No, but हाँ, मतलब it's not gonna die down
Yeah,
100%.
yeah.
But yeah, I feel like compared to last year, it's like now we feel like we want to put more efforts to a PR
Yeah.
than on influencers.
So that makes sense.
Yeah.
And it also saves a lot of time and effort, I feel.
हाँ,
है
it
ना?
definitely
तो
does.
अब सिर्फ PR वालों का जॉब हो गया to find an influencer
हाँ.
or a known face.
Yeah.
They will do the job.
Yeah.
You will just focus on कि ब्रांड को ग्रो कैसे करना है.
Yeah. But great. Thank you so much for doing this.
Thank you.